How to fix max brightness keeps dimming on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the accessibility option and further tap on the display and text size option. Now, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for reduce white point, as this will reduce the intensity of bright colors, and also toggle off the toggle button for auto brightness, and with this your iPhone will not adjust its brightness on its own and you will have to adjust it manually all the time. So this is how you can fix max brightness keeps dimming on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.